Hello students, welcome to Praishu Edu YouTube channel. This is Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class, subject Mathematics, and the topic is numerical expression, or we can say algebraic expression, and it's the use of letters or the variables, okay, to replace the numbers. Okay, so now we are going to understand through some examples. Okay, so question number one, 45 plus 23 minus 18 is equals to how much? Okay, now from the left side, which is first addition, so first we will carry out this one. Now 45 plus 23, small two digit, so 40 plus 20 60, and then 5 plus 8 8. Okay, sorry, 5 plus 3 8, so 460 plus 8 means 68. Now 68 minus 18. Okay, so 68 minus 18 means 50, and this is shown in option number 2. Then question number 2, 24 divided by 4 plus 17, then box is here, and then after another side 13 multiplied by 2 plus 12. Which sign of the following would be in a bracket? Okay, so we have to choose the sign correctly. So first, for this one, we have to solve this separately and this separately. Okay, so here division, first we have to solve it because there is no multiplication. So 24 divided by 4 means 6, and then plus 17 means 23. Okay, so this is a 23, just sorry, here I will maintain 23, and here the bracket. Okay, so another side is multiplication has to first carry out, so 13 multiplied by 2 is a 26, and then plus 12, 26 plus 12 is the 38. Now which number is greater? This number is greater, so we have to show like this one. Okay, 23 is less than 38, like this one. Okay, so this is given in option number 1. Now, question number 3, p plus 0 is equal to p is given example with property is shown by using letters. If 0 is subtracted from any number, suppose this p is any number, of course this is variable, means any number. Okay, so any number, addition of the 0 is equals to any number. So this has to be shown in which option, that has to be choose. So if a 0 is subtracted from the any number, but here the addition, so why this is subtraction? So this option is incorrectly. Then second option, if 0 is added to any number, the answer is that number itself. Yes, this is the correct. 0 is added in that number, then answer should be the that number itself. Okay, if 0 is added to any number, then answer is 0. No, this is incorrect. Product of any number is 0. Here not production, here the addition, so this correct, incorrect. So option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 4, k is equals to 5, then m is equals to 3, then 5 multiplied by this k value is 5. Okay, so we will put the k's value and then plus 3. Okay, so here the multiplication, here the addition, so which one we have to solve? We have to solve the first multiplication. So 5 5s are 25, then plus 3, so now 25 plus 3 means 28, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 5, in the following expressions, which proper sign should occur in the boxes sequentially? Boxes sequentially means respectively in a sequence. Okay, from the left side to the right side. So this should become first, second, third. So like this, first, second, third, first, second, third. That sequence we have to maintain, and as per that one, we have to choose the correct options. Now, so for this one, if you solve for the first option, we will take this all the signs 4 plus 3. Okay, and so suppose I am just maintaining here 4 plus 3, then here the multiplication and here the subtraction, so is equals to 15. Whether can we just check it? So here first we have to solve the multiplication. So 3 multiplied by 2 is a 6. Okay, so 4 plus 6 minus 5, so here then addition has to be carried out. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, 10 minus 5 means that is a 5 only, so this is incorrect. So later on 4 plus 3, then minus 2, and then multiply by this 2 minus 2 multiply 5. So this multiplication has to first carry out, means 2 multiply 5, that is a 10. So and then 4 plus 3 is a 7. Okay, so 7 and minus 2. Okay, and then multiply by, so 4 plus 3 is 7, and then minus here the 10. So 7 minus 10 is a minus 3, which is not equals to 15. So this option also incorrectly. Now multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So multiplication means 4 multiplied by 3. This has to be first carried. So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, and then 12 plus this 2 minus 5. So 12 plus 2 is a 14, minus 5 means it's a 9. So it's also incorrectly. Now 4 multiplied by 3 is a 12, minus 2 plus 5. So 12 minus 2 is 10 plus 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15. Now this is equals to the another side. So option number 4 is the correctly. Now question number 6. Here division has to first carry out, means 32 divided by 8. This is a 4. Later on, this addition has to be first carried, but parallelly 4 multiplied by 3 has to carry out. So minus, this is a 12. Okay, so 8 plus 4 minus 12. Okay, so this addition first we have to solve it. So 8 plus 4 is the 12, and then minus 12. So 12 minus 12 is equals to 0, and 0 is given in option number 4. Now question number 7. 9 multiplied by 0 plus 11. Then square, or we can say the square bracket, or then 121 divided by this is a divided. Okay, so this is a just divided by 11 plus 0. So addition of the 0 means no any changes, the same number. Okay, and here multiplication of the 0 means 0. Okay, so 0 plus 11 means here the 11. Okay, so I'm just maintaining here 11, and then this bracket, or we can say the box. Okay, then 121 divided by 11. Of course this is a 11, because 11 square is a 121. So answer is here 11. Okay, so 11 and 11 means there is a equal sign. Okay, so equal sign means option number 4 is a correctly. Then question number 8. Select a incorrect expression from the following. Incorrect we have to choose. So multiplication and the division. So multiplication first, because that is the left side maintaining. So 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. 27 divided by 27 means 1, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. Yes, this is a correct, but we required incorrectly. So option number 2, 20 minus 8 multiplied by 2 plus 4 is equal to 8. So here first multiplication we have to carry out. So 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Then 20 minus 16 plus 4. So here left side is subtraction. So 20 minus 16 is a 4, and then plus 4. 4 plus 4 means 8. So 8 is equals to 8. So this is a correctly, but we require the incorrect. So now option number 3, 6 multiplied by 4 divided by 12 minus 1. So 6 multiplied by 4 is a 24, divided by 12 minus 2 is equals to 1. So then we have to divide the we have to carry out the division. So 24 divided by 12 means 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 1, but 2 minus 2 is 0 is equals to 1, which is incorrectly. So option number 3 is incorrect. Let's check for the option number 4. 25 minus 5 plus 4 multiplied by 1 is equals to 24. So 4 multiplied by 1 is a 4. Okay, so 25 minus 5 plus 4. So here left side is a subtraction is given. So 25 minus this 5 is a 20, and then plus 4. So 20 plus 4 is 24. So this is a correctly, but we require the incorrectly. So all the options are incorrect for this our question. So option number 3 is correctly. Then question number 9. P plus 29 is equal to 56. Then P is equals to how much? Now P is variable, so plus 29 is equals to 56. So either two options we have to do. Either both side we will subtract 29, okay, is equals to 56 minus 29, or we can say this 29 is here addition, so it will shift to the another side, means it will be subtracted. Okay, so P is equals to 56 minus 29, and that is 27. So option number 2 is correct. Now question number 10. If x is equals to 9, y is equals to 0, z is equals to 3, then z multiply by x multiply by y, then plus z minus y divided by x. So we will put the x, y, z values. So x is equals to 9 here, okay, bracket as it is, multiply y is equals to 0 plus z is equals to 3 minus y is a 0 divided by x is a 9, and this z is a 3. So 3 multiplied by this bracket. So we will first solve out the bracket. So 3 multiply as it is in a bracket. Now multiplication and this division parallelly we can solve, because there is a inside another operations also. So 9 multiplied by 0 means 0, then plus 3 as it is, then minus 9 divided by 0 means 0. So 0 addition and 0 subtraction, any number is that number itself. So 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9. So and 9 is given in option number 3. Thank you.